If you've got tools piling up in the garage, patio furniture getting wrecked by rain, or a backyard that just looks like chaos, then a good outdoor storage shed fixes that. But here's the thing, there's hundreds of sheds out there, and not all of them are built the same. Some look great in photos, but fall apart after the first winter, and picking the wrong one can be a pretty expensive lesson. So I did the research, went through owner reviews, and narrowed it down to the 7 best outdoor storage sheds actually worth your money. Whether you've got a tiny patio or a full backyard, there's something here for you. And if you find something you like, I'll leave links to all the outdoor storage sheds in the description below. First up is the Devoko 5x3. And this is the most affordable shed on this list. And for what it is, it genuinely gets the basics right. The electro-galvanized steel handles rust well, so it holds up outdoors year-round without much fuss. And at just 67.7 pounds, it's still light enough to move around during setup without needing some extra hands. Now the footprint is pretty small at 5 foot by 3 foot, but don't let that throw you off. You're still getting 67 cubic feet of storage inside, which is enough for garden tools, bags of soil, or even a bicycle. Now the 61-inch door height means most standard tools walk right in without any awkward angling either. I'd say this isn't a luxury product, and it doesn't pretend to be. Assembly can take some patience, and a lot of owners add a bit of silicone caulk around the seams for some extra weather protection. But nothing deal-breaking. Next is the Aoxun 6.2x4. And this one carries the Amazon's Choice badge, and it's not hard to see why. This shed is purpose-built for smaller spaces, and that's where it does the best work. At 6.2 by 4 feet, it's going to tuck neatly into a corner or alongside a house without eating up the whole yard. But you're still walking away with 25 square feet of usable floor space, which handles a push mower, garden tools, or some seasonal bins without any problem. Now the sloped roof is going to keep rain moving away from the base, and the built-in vents means air stays circulating inside, so things don't get damp and musty over time. And this one is also rated for winds up to 30 miles per hour, and this thing's not going to give you any drama when the weather turns. What's also worth mentioning is how versatile it is for the size. Customer photos show it working in all kinds of setups like tight urban backyards, small suburban lots, alongside fences and walls, and it just fits wherever you need it to. Now, of course, assembly is going to take a few hours, but people usually say it feels more solid than they expected once it's standing. Up next is the Suncast Shed, and at just 32.5 inches deep, it's going to tuck flat against the wall, fence, or corner, and it takes up almost no footprint. But you're still getting 54 cubic feet of storage inside, which is more than enough for long-haul tools, pool supplies, garden gear, and outdoor cushions. Now the 71.5-inch height is also a big part of what makes it so practical. Rakes, shovels, and brooms all stand up completely upright with no leaning or angling. And built-in shelf notches let you add up to 3 shelves for smaller items, so it stays organized instead of just turning into one big pile. But what really stands out here is the build quality. This one's made in the USA, and the multi-wall resin feels noticeably more solid and rigid than a lot of imported alternatives. And Suncast's also been making resin storage products for decades, and that experience is going to show in how the whole thing holds together. And as a nice bonus, one person can realistically put this together without needing to rope someone in for a favor. Next up is the Outsunny 9x6. And this one comes with something most metal sheds at this price just don't bother including: a foundation kit right in the box. Now that's actually a bigger deal than it sounds, because most of the time you're left figuring out the base yourself, which means extra planning, extra materials, and usually an extra trip to the store. Now the Outsunny just takes the whole headache off the table before you even get started. And beyond that, the 9x6 foot footprint gives you a solid 54 square feet of floor space, which is a real step up from smaller options we've covered. Now there's comfortable room for a lawn mower, a few bikes, and still enough space left for some tools and bins. Now the double lockable doors make access easy, and 4 built-in vents keep air moving, so you're not dealing with that damp, stuffy smell every time you open it up. Now on top of that, the galvanized steel holds up well against rust, and the sloped roofs keeps water moving away from the base the way it should. Solid all around for a shed this size. So if you want something mid-size that comes ready to go from the ground up, then the Outsunny is a great pick. And by the way, if you want to check out any of these outdoor storage sheds, I put links to all of them in the description below. Up next is the Aoxun 8x6. And at 48 inches wide for the doors, they're going to be noticeably wider than what you get with most sheds at this size. And that makes a genuine difference in day-to-day use. Getting a mower, a wheelbarrow, or a couple of bikes in and out just stop being a whole thing. It sounds like a small detail until you realize how often you're actually going in and out of a shed. And the 8x6 foot layout gives you 48 square feet of floor space, which really hits a nice sweet spot. It's big enough to be useful, but not so large that it takes over the whole backyard. Now the sloped roof handles rain well, and the vents keep moisture from building up inside. And don't forget the powder-coated galvanized steel, which is going to keep everything looking decent after a few seasons outdoors. What's also nice is the customer photos show this shed for being used for all kinds of things, from garbage can storage to full bike setups to garden equipment. And that tells you it adapts really well for whatever you need it for. So for a mid-sized metal shed with wide access and solid everyday usability, this Aoxun is hard to beat. Next, we have the Suncast Tremont. And this one has a good space to fit a riding mower, multiple bikes, or a full patio furniture set. But what really sets the Tremont apart is the build. Steel reinforced resin panels give you the low maintenance benefits of plastic without that hollow, flimsy feel you get with cheaper sheds. And it also feels substantial once it's up. And then there's the 6 skylights. Natural light is going to flood the inside, so finding what you need stops being a flashlight situation. And a lot of owners mention this as one of their favorite details, and it's easy to see why. The double locking doors give you some wide, easy access, and the 122-inch interior height means most adults can stand completely upright inside. Assembly is a full-day commitment, so be prepared for that, and bringing someone to help is going to make things a lot smoother. But once it's standing, it pretty much takes care of itself. Finally, we have the Rubbermaid Resin Shed, and this one's our pick for the best overall outdoor shed on this list. So what makes this the top pick? Well, it really starts with the construction. Double wall resin gives you 50% more strength than single wall alternatives, and it also handles 15 pounds per square foot on snow loads, which is significantly more than resin sheds in this category. So wherever you're based, harsh winters aren't really a concern. Then there's the 180-degree door opening, which is one of those things you don't know you need until you have it. Riding mowers, big storage bins, bulky gear, everything just goes in and out without any wrestling match at the door. And the integrated rain gutter keeps water moving away from the base, and ventilation is up 50% compared to older Rubbermaid models, so that musty plastic shed smell just isn't something you'll deal with here. Now at 301 pounds, it's not going anywhere once it's set up. So take a little time picking the right spot. But that's a good thing. It feels as solid as it sounds. And with nearly 4,000 reviews, this one absolutely lives up to the hype. And that's all for today. I hope this list helped you find the perfect outdoor storage shed. And if you find something you like, don't forget to check the description to find the links to all the outdoor storage sheds mentioned in this video. Thanks for watching.